Who doesn't like an organized and beautifully arranged wardrobe, and that without spending too much money or organizers? This is my wardrobe. I have kept it functional and simple. In today's video, I'll show that how to make our wardrobe organized by the help of some organizers, which is budget friendly and also good in quality. So this is my 3-door steel almirah, which have 5 shelves and another 5 shelves in the other section, where I took out all the clothes and cleaned the wardrobe, then segregated all the clothes like kurtis, leggings, dupattas, saris, etc. This is how my almirah looks like before organizing, and I know it's very common to many people who have not organized their wardrobe for a long time. Well, mine situation is also like that. Do not need to worry about that. By just following some tips and tricks, you will get a functional wardrobe like this. I am starting to fold my bottom wear like leggings, jeans, palazzo, etc. क्लीनिंग, डस्टिंग एंड सेग्रीगेशन मैं और अलग से नहीं दिखाई. वार्डरोब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो मेन पॉइंट्स है मैं वही दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I used to fold my leggings in this way so that you will get a nice and equal shape like this, which helps me to stack them in a proper way. The folding of my bottom section is almost ready. These are some of my new leggings which I am not starting to use, तो मैं इसे bottom wear section में एक साथ रख दूंगी. Now come to this organizer. This is the organizer which is made by cardboard and covered by thin semi-cotton cloth. इसके साथ ये एक रेक्टेंगुलर बोर्ड भी दिया जाता है जो कि इसके अंदर आराम से फिट हो जाता है. The organizer is quite spacious. Handle is given to the both side which can be easily accessed. Now I'm keeping my all bottom wears in this organizer one by one. As you can see that there is still some spaces are left in the organizer. So I'm keeping my new leggings here. Organizers can help us to set up the spaces efficiently and aesthetically. There is a plethora of them in both online and offline market. In this video, we will have a look at this wardrobe organizers, which is budget friendly and so helpful. Naphthalene balls helps to protect our clothes from any fungus, and it gives a very nice fragrance to clothes. Now my bottom wear section is done and ready to shift in my almirah. Next, come to this kurti section. I would like to ironing it first, then fold and keep it in my organizer. This ironing part is completely optional. If you don't need, then you can skip it. मैं यहाँ 1-2 कुर्ती को फोल्ड करके दिखा रही हूँ so that you can get an idea to stack them in an equal way. Now it's time to keep all the kurtis in this organizer one by one. As you can see that there is still some space left behind the organizer, so I am keeping my cut piece and shirt piece in this space. The kurti section is ready and I will face no more difficulty in finding my kurtis from now. Similarly, I have arranged my dupattas, saris, petticoats, etc. in these organizers. Before placing my clothes in the wardrobe, let me show you in details. These are my bottom wear, next kurtis, next saris, next petticoats, and at last miscellaneous. Here I have kept my quad sets and kurta pant sets, and these are my dupattas collection. Here I have kept extra perfumes, makeup brushes, sunglasses, etc. In this wooden box I have kept some wristwatch of me and my husband. In this red lid basket I have kept my innerwears. Next, here are some new wristwatch which I am keeping in this cute little bag so that I can find them easily. Now come to this organizers which is made by thin cloth. Transparent plastic is given in front of the bag. Zip is also there. In this organizer I have kept my lehengas and Banarsi saris, and in this organizer I have kept my winter jackets and all etc. I would like to tell you that मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ अपने समर्स के कपड़े रखती हूँ. विंटर के कपड़े जो है मैं अपने बॉक्स बेड में स्टोर करके रखती हूँ, क्योंकि विंटर के कपड़े सिर्फ 2 महीने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. बाकी के 10 महीना मैं वो 2 महीने के कपड़ों के लिए कॉम्पैक्ट करके नहीं रखना चाहती. By the help of some hangers, I have arranged my saris all together on the top of the shelves. Next, इसके नीचे ही साड़ी की ऑर्गेनाइजर रखी हूँ. Beside that, I have kept my cosmetic basket and innerwear basket. And on this side, I have hanged some of my sling bags collection, watch bags and curtain ropes. Next, these are my extra clutches, the wooden box, and my extra new nail paints collection which I am not starting to use. Now come to this second shelves. I have kept my dupattas, kurtis and bottom wear like leggings, jeans or palazzo on these shelves. On the third shelves, I have kept my petticoats and some nightwears, cord sets and kurta pant sets, and tops and miscellaneous items. And on the last shelves, I have kept the sari bags, winter wear bags and blouses. Now coming to the section which have 5 shelves too, and this section is dedicated to my bed sheets, curtains, handbags, etc. Let me show you in details that what I am going to keep in this section. These are all my handbags which is quite large in size and some of my sling bag. Next, these are all my new bed sheets and these are all my new curtains. And this is the table mats and these are also my bed sheets and some extra pillow covers. And this is the photo album of our wedding. Every homes have their individual needs or requirements. I have organized my wardrobe as per my needs. Similarly, आप अपना needs के according wardrobe को organize करें. In this video, I have shared an idea that how to make our wardrobe functional and beautiful so that you can also make your wardrobe organized like me. I have kept my handbags on the top of the shelves so that it can be accessed easily. On the second shelves, I have kept the curtains and some of cotton bed sheets. Here I have kept my pillow covers and behind that I have kept a black sling bag. I have hanged another sling bag on the door of the almirah ताकि इसकी shape ना बिगड़े. Next, on the third shelves, I have arranged some bed sheets and the watch boxes and an iron and some laces. After that, on the fourth shelves, I have arranged also my new bed sheets. These bed sheets are all from Haryana and Ludhiana. I will make a video very soon on these bed sheets. And इसके side में ये और एक sling bag रखा है. On the fifth and last shelves, I have kept a handbags which is quite large in size, the table mats, and extra some carry bags if needed. And lastly, the album of our wedding. So now let's go and have a final look of the wardrobe.
Say what you wanna say to me